I failed. I went to the mains examination. I gave. I could not crack it. In 2021, I faced the interview. I could not crack it. I didn't see my name in the list. At last, in 2024, I stood second in the ST category.
দুটো পরিবারের কথা আমরা শুনলাম।
As you know, my name is Manojit Debbarma, and let me just take a break for a while. Sorry. So first of all, I want to thank School of Science and Sri Abhijit Bhattacharya sir for honoring us, my family, with such gracefully, sir. I'm heartfully honored to have been a student of yours. I have joined School of Science in 2021, and I have joined in the mains answer writing program, and I have met with sir. It has been honored. I have been so grateful to have met with such a wonderful personality. He has guided me since 2021 till date, and I want to also give my special thank to Shekhar Datta sir. For believing in me. He has always encouraged me and all the other students to believe and to look forward and to never give up. It was my third attempt. I have started my journey. I have given my first attempt in 2019, and I want to tell you guys that you see 2019 and 2024, it's been 5 years. I failed. I went to the mains examination. I could not crack it. In 2021, I faced the interview. I could not crack it. I didn't see my name in the list. At last, in 2024, I stood second in the ST category. And that shows the perseverance that you need, all the experience in this journey, in this TCS TPS examination or any other competitive examination. So my only suggestion would be to just persevere, to just believe in yourself and do wholeheartedly what you're doing. And you have to give up some things in your life. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, बोलते हैं ना, ये सच होता है. So you have to give up some things to achieve something. So I wish you all the best for all the present experience, that you succeed in your life, in your journey, and whatever you want to achieve in your life. And lastly, I want to thank Abhijit sir for being with us. All the students that it has been an immense pleasure and an enduring learning experience to be taught by you, sir. You has been an inspiration yourself, and thank you for inspiring us every day, sir. I want to thank you and School of Science and the whole team, and I wish you all the very best experience. Thank you.